Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Rapporteur, for your presentation. At this point, I'd like to open the debate by giving the floor to Mr. Tremopoulos. Κύριε Τρεμόπουλο, έχετε το λόγο.
Ευχαριστώ, κύριε Πρόεδρε.
Thank you, Chairman. Well, from the very start, I'd like to say that the year 2008 was not an improvement. There was no improvement on 2007. And at the same time, I need to say that at least 11% of the budget, of the entire amount of the budget for 2008 should not have been tabled. This is something we've already said at several occasions, and now it appears that we need to say that the reduction in the mistakes still has to be seen as a priority. And it's, we put it very nicely. We talk about mistakes, about errors, but we spoke about 3 countries that are not being named. But you can see this under item 7 as well. In item 7, or at least under 7, where those who prepared the opinion have spoken about this under this point. Now, we're not talking about fraud here at all. And we're talking here particularly about a period of time in which certain countries are being pointed at because of the mistakes that have been made. Greece, for instance. But there are other countries using different tactics, which are similar but not exactly the same. Now the Commission says that we need to wait until 2012 before a proposal will be tabled on the level of tolerance of mistakes in the Cohesion Fund. I think that's a great shame, because the period 2006, this particular period is coming to an end, and Member States are very busy. They need to finish all the allocated amounts, and it might be possible that they have tabled a lot of other projects, additional projects. Now, the Court of Auditors has also seen that these programs are starting up very slowly for the programming period of the years 2007-2013 because of the delay in tabling of the reports of conformity. So this may mean that the control systems might not work terribly well in the course of the first phase of this period. The Commission and the Court of Auditors will have to pursue a principle. They will have to follow a principle. And here I appoint and reappoint, and then I refer, because the Member States need to understand that their control systems are not correct, are simply not working properly. And this is really the right time to do this, because if not, the whole thing's not going to run very smoothly, and many Member States can actually do this. So this system of systematic corrections should be discouraged. And I believe that we can see this in the texts of the Court of Auditors. The sanctions can be imposed upon Member States. We need to look at a system through which, in future, only irregularities which have been seen by the Member States, these irregularities could be replaced by other expenses. So this would mean that the funding would not be lost for the Member States. So it would be a kind of safety net. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you.